preview.
Hello friends! I'm Parex from Fun Club and today we are going to draw a diamond.
A diamond.
Yeah.
A very easy
Draw
step-by-step drawing of diamond with Parikshit and Fun Club. And we will be needing a black sketch pen,
and papers and some few colors, and let's start drawing.
What is the shape of a diamond?
A V shape. Let's make a little
One line.
Let's make a small diamond.
Follow me.
I'm making a small diamond. I know how to draw diamond. I don't have to follow you. Yeah.
Very good. Good that you know.
I'm done.
Done. And my diamond is
Ready.
ready.
Oh, here it is nice sky blue color. Some shining. I'm going to leave a shining space.
We are now going to color the diamond.
I am done. Okay, what is the diamond spelling?
D-I-A
D
I-A
I
A
A
M-O
M O
N
N
D.
diamond. See over.
Yes.
Diamond.
Let's make some sparkling thing.
With a light blue color.
Yeah.
It's very light.
And diamond is so bright and so it sparkles.
Shiny.
Yeah.
It does not have sparkles. It is made out of glass.
Yeah. I'm done.
That's right, diamond.
Okay.
I'm going to border this.
D I A M O N D. And then I write on the top of it D I A M O N D.
I'm coloring it.
We are done drawing the diamond.
Just color like this.
Yeah. So you have to say something.
So friends, do like and subscribe my channel to see more drawing ideas.
And Instagram.
Parents, do share your kids' drawing with us on Instagram and do tag us @ @KidsFunClub, #KidsFunClub, and we have some step-by-step drawing books. Go to www.kidsfunclub.com/books.
Until then.
No, inside there you are going to get some surprises.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye.